guys, today we're playing Fortnite Don't Press the Button. So let's start. But this is not gonna be very easy, but it's gonna be like alright easy. So let's start.
Sliding through your dream come true. I'm going with my golden arrow.
Okay,
I
time.
move forward, I open shows.
Okay, we are sliding. Oh. Okay, let's. You're supposed to press the button even though it's don't press the button. You probably know that already. I'm very good at this. Yeah. Whoa. And I'm playing with my friend. I'm gonna run. Let's continue. I'm almost there.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm the best. First place.
Yeah, boy, we both did it. Oh, I'm very good at this. So let's continue. Ha! Me and Elias fell at the same time. Okay. We wait here. Okay, bro, what do you do? Oh, we're almost there. No! Okay, what is this? I've never done this. Really?
I'm the job man, ice cold, see swerving, see me walking in town, they are turning up. With a flashlight on my back and on my arm.
Guys,
Red Daddy, I'm a man, don't blend it, it's splendid. In the hobby world, grind never stops. If you with me, then hit that lost. No one of our team that will get lost. Coaching, show the team, 3D balls. On sign no dance, why you dancing when on sign no dance? Just beat every time, putting myself in a type of trend.
okay, yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you soon. I'm literally, I'm about. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, yeah, now that I'm back, let's just continue playing. Don't press the button. And if you're wondering, I just took a random things, like completely random. I chose the random thing, and I have some weapons. Or I only have one weapon. But little does Elias know that I'm actually gonna use them on him. Okay, now let's continue. I'm still waiting for Elias to come because he's coming a little bit late. I can just Okay, but let's continue now. Wow. Tikat ngak. Agak keras ya, angkat tutup keras ya. Agak I'm exploding. Nah, I'd win. I'm almost there. Okay, let's continue.
Like and favorite the map to never miss an update.
Freddy,
Hey.
say double.
Right foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feature on your way to see. Right foot creep.
I've had a jetpack before, but I'm gonna. Gua tempat nana. 200 gold. Aku tuh banyak kerap lalu that. Okay, whatever. Ngepupi. I reek.
Right foot creep.
But now I will reek. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.